Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Samsung's AI-powered Galaxy Book 4 series. So friends, Samsung showcased its AI-strengthened Galaxy ecosystem at the CES 2024 and the dedicated mobile experience zone at Samsung's booth pool attends to its one for last glimpse and the company's top innovations. So friend, the new Galaxy Book 4 series was spotlighted near the entrance of the zone, and attendance could experience the strong AI performance and the incredibly responsive touchscreen display on the Galaxy Book 4 release on 4th January, and the Galaxy Book 4 series is equipped with the new Intel Core Ultra processor, offering expanded connectivity and a high-performance AI experience. The zone feature a close demonstration of laptops, increased processing power made possible by a newly added neural processing unit, and brand applied to all models in the series for first time. The dynamic AMOLED 2-time touchscreen captivated attendees to use their hands to scroll and zoom in and zoom out. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.